Welcome back, YouTube. This ring light is burning my face. This shit is hot. My AC's blasting. I got the projector on above me. The Raptors game's on. But anyways, let's get into it. Before I want to get into this unboxing, just want to give a quick update. I've been gone on a hiatus once again. Just been busy with school, work, and stuff like that. Did a lot of shopping in the recent month or weeks, you could say. Yeah, so before I get into this unboxing, I just want to say, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell button as well, so every time I drop a video, you're notified. And at the end of the video, leave a comment to let me know what you think about the unboxing. So I'm gonna give you, the 10 seconds. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi. Okay, you should hit the subscribe button and notification bell. Alright, let's get it rolling now. So what we have here is pretty dirty box. Recently I copped some New Balance. Not just any ordinary New Balance, some very high-end New Balances. So we have my boy corrected me and paged me when I said the name. I thought it was JJJJound, but it's JJJound. I still feel like I'm fucking it up. But anyways, I got the New Balance JJJJounds. See, I said JJJJound again. Jound. I actually got them from StockX because I didn't hit the raffle. So, I did an impulsive purchase and went ahead. But yeah, here you have it. New Balance. This is a very comfortable shoes by what I've read and heard. Like, New Balance in general, if you don't know, one of the most comfiest sneakers ever. Like, they're up there for sure. I had New Balances too because I have flat feet. So back in Toronto, I had an orthopedic and he would lace me up in New Balances and I was a happy kid, But now, yeah, no, my posture, everything's fucked up. Anyways, so I'm gonna go a little closer to the camera. So as you can see here, you see the N right here signifies New Balance. These are the 990s, 990 V4, I should say, sorry. These are made in USA, they've been manufacturing over 75 years, so that's a pretty big deal. You got the StockX tag, of course, we only do legit shit around here, no fugazi. Come on, don't get it twisted, get your money up, not your funny up. But anyways, I like the really color. It's like a deep navy blue. It's I don't want to say it's corduroy, but it's like maybe suede, I don't know. Yeah, I think it's suede. But then you got some mesh lining over here and the inside too. You got, like I said, they're very important, and I like to highlight the fact that these shoes are made in the USA, so you have that, of course. Honestly, I have a crazy fit to go with these. I haven't worn them yet, as you can see. Dead stock, but yeah, dead stock, of course. You have the Colab's name right here at the back. This company is actually based out of Montreal. I should say brand is based out of Montreal. They started when I want to say like a few 5-6 years ago, I want to say. But yeah, solid company. You should make sure you check them out. We got some neat, simple clothing. As you can see, nothing crazy about the shoe. It's very clean and shit like that. So I got my socks. We come prepared. Supreme socks always. Alright, sorry mom if you see this, don't get mad at me, but I'm gonna wear my new shoes on the couch. So yeah, give me 2 minutes. I'm about to lace this up. Yo. Oh yeah, buddy. Oh yeah, buddy. This is absolutely the wave. Now I'm gonna tell you guys a crazy story. People here, especially where I live, Orlando, Florida, a lot of people love wearing their shoes from StockX with the StockX tag. I don't understand why. Like, is that a new trend or some shit? Cause what the fuck is going on? My mom about to page me, but fuck it. I gotta do for the video. So there you have it, New Balances on the feet. I know my setup is a little different and whatnot, but like, yo, these are actually kind of crazy. Yeah, these are actually tough. Like, I know the fit's shit, but don't worry, watch out for the gram. If you don't follow me on the gram, it's with Manesh on IG, but make sure you follow. But these go in. Like, I don't care what anybody says, these actually go in. Now I gotta FaceTime my boy Jelani to make sure I lace these up properly, because that's that's my stylist on the low. Still, no cap. Follow him on IG. He sells clothing and stuff like that, so I'm gonna post it right here. And then here's his personal as well, so make sure you follow and show some love. But yeah, so there you have it, my unboxing of the New Balance JJJJound 990 V4s, made exclusively in America. And let me remind you, exclusively made in America. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys would cop any pair of New Balances in general. Just brief thoughts about them, and make sure you subscribe, leave a like, hit the notification bell because I'm dropping more.